Hey, and welcome to Deep Roots Homestead. I had a viewer ask me about the consistency on the do-it-yourself laundry detergent, so in this video I'll go over details of that and give you a few pro tips. Stick around. Alright, so in this bucket here I have my scalding water, and I might even add a pot of boiling water to help dissolve the powders that you added earlier. Here's my soap that I melted down. As you can see, my scalding hot bucket of water is half full. Now we'll fill it with cold water so it starts to thicken up slightly. I'll add water up to about 2 inches from the top of the bucket. This is what it looks like on the spoon, still pretty liquidy. This tool right here is a mortar mixer. Definitely recommend this tool. This will take your homemade detergent to the next level. Gets out most of the clumps and gets it almost factory smooth. Super easy to use, just add it to your drill. Definitely get one and check it out. This is after about 1 hour. You can definitely feel a difference in the spoon when trying to stir it. You want to stir this as much as possible. That gets your consistency a lot more smooth. Check it out on the spoon. Alright, this right here is the consistency after about 10 hours. I'll let some slide off the spoon so you can see what it looks like coming off. And then we will also compare it to Tide with Downy. And I would say the consistency is really similar. The Tide might be a little thicker. So I would say if you wanted to get a little bit thicker liquid, go ahead and use 2 bars of soap. And also, if you wanted to increase the concentration, use 6 cups of powder. So you could do 3 cups of borax and 3 cups of washing soda, or you can interchange those how you like. And then on the fragrance, if you want to go fragrance free, don't put it in there. And if you want to increase that, you could probably put a whole bottle in there if you want it really strong. And while I'm thinking about it, a little pro tip is, on any of your powders you're using, your borax or your super washing soda, it gets rock hard. I mean like concrete in there. So you might want to store it in a sealed container or a Ziploc.